Hey Oakland, this is Mark Piedick with Omnitel Communications. I'm here today to give you guys an update on our Oakland project. As you may have noticed, we've pretty much finished up our mainline fiber plowing throughout town. There's still a few more things going on that need to be done before we can start the exciting phase of installations. Right now, you may be seeing our crews out there, and what they're doing are splicing all of the fiber, which is basically connecting it throughout the neighborhoods. And then they're going to be working on the network itself and all of the networking inside of the CO, which you might see our new building that we've put by the billboard up on the north side of town. As we wrap these things up, we'll start contacting you to see if you would like to schedule installation. Additionally, you can always feel free to call us as well. Our number is 641-765-4201. And I'd like to remind everybody, we offer high-speed fiber optic internet service, we offer digital home phone service, and we also offer high-definition television service. If you want one, two, or maybe even all three of those services, give us a ring. We're taking calls now, and we anticipate the installations to begin in mid to late August. We're excited to hear from you. Stay safe, wear your mask, be well.